biggest misconception about us is that we're just screw-offs. Just a bunch of tattooed up guys that ride dirt bikes and cause problems and don't take their life serious, and I think it's totally opposite. I think we're just fortunate enough to achieve a lifestyle of doing what we want to do. Starts, I get up early because I have kids, get the kids going, get ready, get in the right mindset. Guys start showing up, all the dudes from the metal militia. We start, you know, talking about tricks. What are we gonna try today? What's the new trick? It's a little competition goes on, you know, within the group every day in the backyard with, you know, with no cameras, no money, no crowds. That's how all this started, you know. It was freestyle. I mean, we started this sport. I remember the day I decided just to do something different. We're getting ready to ride, so we're gonna go groom the jump and make it a little softer, because the goal is to have it tilled up so it's a little safer if someone was to crash. You know, that's just the way dirt bikes go. I've been to X Games since like '99. It's the one event a year that I look forward to, and the one event that we try the hardest at. And I think it's kind of like the Olympics of action sports. It's kind of crazy to think, you know, it goes by so fast. It's like been 10 years already since the first time I've been to X Games. I've always used X Games as a platform to lay down some of my new tricks, because you use the energy of the crowd. You use just like the whole vibe that's going on in here to pull off stuff you wouldn't normally pull off in your backyard. This is kind of the place where you want to lay it down, you know?